Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another tutorial of PHP for beginners series, and in this video we will be talking about PHP cookies. So this is the definition of PHP cookies. You can read it by yourself. So now let me show you what is the use of PHP cookies. PHP cookies are used to store a user's information permanently for a specific number of times. Like there is a clothing website, and when you enter in that website, PHP cookies will store your data whether you like gents clothes or ladies clothes. This data will be stored in your cookies. Remember that these cookies, the data stored in cookies is stored in your browser, not on the server. And when you send any request, I mean when you type www.thenameofwebsite.com and as your request is your HTTP request sent to the browser, then your data, your cookies data is also sent to your that browser, and that store information that whether you like gent clothes or ladies clothes. And if you like gent clothes, that website shows you the all categories of gent clothes, and if you like ladies clothes, that website shows you all the ladies clothes. So this is a little bit working of PHP cookies, and these cookies are also used to store other information that is not sensitive, like which color you like of clothes, and when you last time visit that website, how much time you spend on that website. So this type of information is stored in PHP cookies. You have to not use your username, email or password in PHP cookies, because this is a sensitive data and hackers can access them easily. So for storing this data, you have to use session superglobal variable, and we will be talking about session superglobal in variable in the next section. So let me talk about how to create a cookie. To create a cookie, you have to use a PHP built-in function called set cookie, and in this section you have to pass first of all a parameter called name. This is a required parameter. You must have to give the name of your cookie, and I give it name, or you can type it username. And in the next section you have to type comma and double quotation, and you have to type the value of cookie like Fahim. And in the next section you have to give the time that how much time this cookie will destroy. I mean the data you will be stored in that cookies, how much time that data will be stored in that cookies, and after how much time, after a specific time, after maybe 1 day, after maybe a 1 week or 1 month or 1 year, the data stored in that cookie will be automatically destroyed. So to give the time, you have to use a PHP ready-made function called time. This will give the current time. And now I will add let I want to the data stored in username cookie will be destroyed after 1 day. So I will use 86,400 seconds. So this will add 84,400 seconds in the current time. It means that 1 day next. So our this cookie will be destroyed after 1 day. So this is the method that how to create a cookie in PHP. So now I want to tell you that if you want to receive the value of this cookie, so you have to echo, and you have to use a PHP superglobal called COOKIE, PHP cookie, and in the single quotation in the parentheses you have to type the cookie name, which was the username, and press Ctrl S, save and refresh your browser. You can see that Fahim is the value of our PHP set cookie. If I change the value to Fahim Hassan, press Ctrl S, save and refresh your browser, you can see that it shows me Fahim Hassan. This is the value. So now if you want to destroy this cookie, I means if you want to automatically remove this cookie, so you have to give the time in the past section. That I type here -1 second or 100 seconds. It means that this time is in the past from current time. We give time in our 100 seconds before. You can type 1000 seconds, or even you type 1 second. This is also past time because this is 1 second before. So I type 100 and press Ctrl S, save and refresh your browser. You can see that it shows me an error message that username is undefined index. It means that our cookie has been defined, and our this cookie variable did not able to print the value stored in our username cookie. So if you want to again set this cookie plus use plus signature and press Ctrl S, save and refresh your browser, you can see that Fahim Hassan is our output, which is it means that our cookie has been set. So remember that never use sensitive information like your user email and your user password And so the attackers can access that information that is stored in PHP cookie easily. So you have to store that in sensitive information in a session variable, and we will be learn about session variable in the next video. And if you have any question about PHP cookies, you can ask us in the comment section or directly WhatsApp us, and share this video with your those friends who want to learn PHP from zero to advanced level. And subscribe to this channel, because in the next days we are going to upload a very comprehensive course on Android development and for absolute beginners. And finally, thanks for watching.